Do you know you can use Netflix without paying a dime? Yes, I'm correct. It's possible. All you need is a HOLA VPN on Netflix. This is the HOLA VPN. You can install this from the App Store or Play Store. After installing, you create an account with your Gmail or whatever it is. You will need to access the log on to the Mexico. But it's on the premium list, so with this you can use a credit card or a gift card just to access their 3 days free trial to get this Mexico on your list. So afterwards, you connect to Mexico. Let me connect again. Quick connect. Connecting. Okay, I'm connected. Now come back. Open your Safari and search for Netflix. Okay, it's loading. Okay, come down. Click on Get Started. Next. Now we will need your Gmail. So use your newly created Gmail. Let me just use mine. Okay, that's it. So skip this. Now we will need a Mexican number. It has to be 10 digits. We start with 3, end with 5. So this is our first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now use any name. Let's say Jason Duello. Okay, I agree. Start membership. So you see, let's take a screenshot of this. Let's keep it. Okay, now click on next. Now you can choose where you want to watch it for. I'll be watching from my TV and my phone. Next. Now let's just add some profile. Let's make here JK, FK, MK, NK. Next. Okay, we are all set. Now I click on next. English. So now I have to choose any 3 to continue. So I prefer Squid Game, Counter Attack, and Carry On. Next. For it. So now we're done. Now let's try to log in onto our Netflix app. Let me open my Netflix app. Yeah, so after you're done signing in, you can just ignore this and watch any movie of your choice for free. You don't pay anything. But remember, if you try signing in and they go like wrong password, just use the reset password to change the password. You get it? Or use a code method. There's only a code you just enter it to access your account. So this is it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share for more videos. Let me know any challenges you face in the comment section. Thanks for it.